Got it. This news is super exciting and definitely buzzworthy. Lee Min Ho and Song Hye Kyo as a couple? If true, this would be one of the biggest celebrity pairings in Hallyu history. Imagine the charisma, talent, and visuals combined. It's practically a K-drama dream come to life. But let's not get carried away just yet. Until there's official confirmation from either of their agencies, it's best to treat this as a thrilling rumor. Fans must be flipping out, though. What's your take? Do you think it could be true? Or just another media created hype? If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll come with another update soon. Industry insiders recently shared the amazing news that Song Hye Kyo and Lee Min Ho are to tie the knot by 2025 with a huge celebration in Paris, and it will be jaw-dropping. They've already done their shopping and the guest list, photographers, everything has been beautifully set, and now it is a matter of time till we get to see them, exchange rings, and share a heartfelt kiss which will make everyone's heart skip a beat. Lee Min Ho, with his charismatic performance in the 2009 drama Boys Over Flowers, cemented the K-drama industry with his role as Gyu Jun Pyo. From there, his massive crush developed for Song Hye Kyo. From interview sessions to everywhere, he'd mention how he admires Song Hye Kyo and that working with her is his longest desire. But that does not mean he didn't fall for others or his heart did not falter for a bit. In 2011, while working together with Park Min Young, Lee Min Ho couldn't help but fall in love with her. They ended up dating together for roughly around 5 months. They shared cute heartfelt moments which were heartwarming to see, but unfortunately, they could not withstand the test of time and had to split ways due to conflicting schedules. Been getting along with each other very well, and to make things more interesting, THEY have been spotted together at ICN airport. Wearing matching couple clothing and even similar couple rings made making the fans squirm with excitement. Now, this isn't an everyday occurrence where celebrities openly talk about their ideal type so casually in an interview with Asia Star. Lee Min Ho explicitly stated, working with Song Hye Kyo is something I'm passionate about. Despite her elegant and classy style, she still has a strong aura and outstanding acting talent. If we work together, I believe Song Hye Kyo can teach me a lot, but maybe I will be too nervous and shy to work with her. This statement created an uproar among the fans and netizens. The fans were extremely pleased, showing strong support for him. The media was on fire when Lee Min Ho and Song Hye Kyo attended the Fendi fashion show in September 2022 in New York City. It was a big moment for our beloved Lee Min Ho as he finally got the chance to relax around his crush. The two were seen extremely cozy around each other. They talked, laughed, and there was a playful bantering between them. Both looked extremely attractive. After the event, the two reportedly went out for a romantic walk and later for a candlelight dinner and have some quality time. As a couple away from the media, Lee Min Ho has been in work with many iconic actresses. His desire to work with Sono has been so strong, and we elated to share the amazing news. We told the surprise that both of them are going to pair up for the upcoming drama The Heir Season 2. The lead couple, even though they have never appeared in any romantic dramas before, by the end of this year they shall announce all the surprise with the wedding news and competition. The drama, even though Lee Min Ho has been in multiple scandals and has always been in a hot topic discussion regarding his private life. Song Hye Kyo dating news with him was enough to put him on the edge. He can't really hide his feelings and admiration for her. The glory queen truly captured Lin Ho with her graceful nature and seamless beauty. Lee Min Ho and Song Kyo wedding is going to be a revolutionary one, as millions of fans across the globe have been waiting for them to tie the knot. Already by the end of 2024, they're going to fill the hearts of the fans with their extravagant wedding, which is going to be held at the lavish Grandia Hotel in Seoul, South Korea. For sure, Lin Ho will treat our queen the best way ever and repair her broken heart with his unconditional love. Fans are now eagerly waiting for the wedding date. For now, both the stars are busy with the upcoming projects. For Lee Min Ho is the drama as the stars and Song Hye Kyo for the Korean movie Dark Lungs, despite being on a tight schedule. To still made time for each other, preparing and secretly planning for their wedding arrangements. As much as we are excited about their upcoming series, we are eagerly waiting to hear the wedding bell soon. Stay tuned with K-Drama World for more news regarding Lee Min-ho and Song Hye Kyo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.